Hello everyone, welcome for today's video. I am Devendra Mahato and this was the English communication challenge, and in today's topic we are saying that we can cover about ourselves that trying to speak English for 30-day challenge. For example, for any of the subscriber who or any of the viewers who can watch my videos, I suggested you that to take a record your videos or footages that you can speak in English and upload into the video and tag me so that I can reach you all people. And why this is need for everyone to record your the videos, because today's video I discussing the factual fact about the thing, that the fact about the communication. Because if you want to gain any of the skills or any of the English communication, you have to be first of all mastering your communication or mastering of any of the skill you have to showcase, so that you get any platform where you can creates as a lot, so that how this was matter. And English communication was a very much good skills for everyone. So that now coming to the another point, that why we all need the challenges to continue the English conversation. Because challenge needs the potential that we can continue toward ourselves with a consistency. For example, if I suppose to continue to communication within English, I will start, and later on 2 to 3 day I will disclose the videos and disclose the communications, so that this will having this will called lots of suffering for ourselves, so that how they could be difficult for ourselves to sustain it. So that this point is to be noted, that we have to consistent ourselves for seeing that to be very much improve in our communication skills. We have to challenge ourselves daily, because if we are challenging ourselves and improving day by day, because the challenge was not for the world, the challenge was for ourselves. If we are better ourselves, improve ourselves, then the world also better ourselves and improve ourselves. For example, I also wanted to say something about me, that everyone wants to hear us and watch us, and the audience or the any of the people around us who always wanted to hear us and be with us. So that we always need to say that always becoming to be the great influencer or great speaker. Because yeah, first of all thing is that why my viewers was lesser, because of the reason I was not in too much very much fluent in English, or my words was not to be very much fluent, or nothing to, or saying that not to be very much better for the listener, or better for my talking. So that how this was matter. And another point is that to becoming to be the very much fluent, first of all read the books, fluent in English, read the books, and pursuing the knowledges from the newspapers and the novels, from the many of the channels that will saying about the videos, and saying about and talking to about the uh, conversation in English. So that I will upload the long conversational video for more than 1 hour of communication. And today's planning was to record the video of 1.5 hour, but I was not able to do it because of something I was something personal reason. So that in tomorrow's video or any of the day I will try to talk about myself. Because if you want to talk about yourself, then you will find that what type of person I was, and who you are. First of all, find out the person about yourself. If you find that you what type of people you are, then your conversation will be begin to be very much longer, so that how it can helping you. And coming to the another point, that how everyone get fluent in English, the single reason is that just to start to conversate with ourselves, with own self. So that taking a sessions of improving sessions, such as taking a lessons of taking the following the YouTube channel of English conversation, following the basic grammar, and following the my first of all thought was to not to focusing upon the grammar, not to becoming to be the correct in all of the thing. First of all, try to take a mistake and just to say something about in English fluent, because if we can pass the examination, because in English communication not no needed to be no needed to any of the person has need of single thing for English conversation, so that this matters a lot. I also wanted to not to becoming to be the correct version of your life, just to take a wrong decisions that had to be incorrected, so that and errors, so that you can be very much fluent in English and very much fluent to yourself. How you can also be fluent in your syllabus, your skills, I will explain you that. Because if I thought it because if I started this channel and record the videos, I will say that I was not to becoming to be the fluent person and fluent in English conversation, so that why I can and how I can be able to do such a thing, so that this will matters a lot. And after continuing this, I wanted to share these things. And now continue to the another point, that how to be motivated for long time of for making long time conversation in English for consistent it. First of all, the reason is that you don't, if you like the job, you don't need to be very much motivated, because motivation are the short term goal or short term punch for yourself. Then you can be do anything for a short interval of time, so that don't get motivated. Always make your habit very good, or always try to be improve yourself, because if I like to speak in English, then I will try to speak in English of more than 1 hour, 2 or 3 hour, 5 hour minimum. So that if you like the job, if you suppose a student who was very much good in mathematics, who can solve more than 5 hours of more than 5 hour of math solving, and any another student who solve the uh, who solves who like to science, who will learn the science of more than 5 hours and 6 hours, so that this matters a lot. The matter is that if you like any of the job, any of the single job, or any of the skills that you wanted, then you never find the time that I will involve from that much time, I will continue toward my that time. Because I have recorded the video of 1 hour that you can see in my channel, that I try to speak about myself in English. There was having lots of disturbance in in my surrounding, but I till now I was consistent and talking about myself from the whole video. If anyone interested, please watch this video, because this video was very much important for the English conversation. Because if I have known about anything about myself, then that can be expressed in my words in a simple ways of English conversation with and also having to be very much improving and improvement session. As I was also having the no much very much good studio, but I always try to speak in English with a very fluentness, and not for the studio, but I was just wanted to share the best knowledge. Because I always seen that no people was wanted that you are becoming to be the very much rich person or very much skillful studio, but the single thing is matter, that how much you can and what type of language you have and how you can express. Because you can see that there was my studio, and I was not to be very much good in studio, so that here I can place my camera, and after that I will record my video. So that how I can record my video, as you can all see that, and our conversation was begins at this place. And after doing lots of conversation in this place, I get an inspiration, I get something extra new toward myself, that how I was motivated to myself, that I can do lots of conversation from this place. Because environment matter because as the Atomic Habit book also says, that if your environment was not good, or environment that you wanted to do was not and according to you, then you cannot continue or cannot pursue about your goals or skills, because like suppose that a student having belong from Bengal, and another student belong from say south, in Telangana or the south. The difference between the language was because of the environment. The Bengal people always learn the Bengalis, but the south people also learn the only south language, so that and the common thing is that they both of them know the language of English communication and English, so that this matters a lot. The point is that environment, how the environment matters. Also that I from past a few seconds ago I wanted to close the video, but after sitting toward my studio I get something more innovative, more energetic from my studio, that I wanted to record the video very much, and after sitting this studio I will get something more inspirational point, inspirational motivation from myself, that I can continue toward my communication skills. And the motive was to not to speak for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. The motive was to how to express our thought, how to be improve many more times and more times to be in the English conversation. And so that I wanted to continue to the word not lesser than 20 or 30 minutes, because the time was not to be very lesser, because the first of all I have also take a decision, that is not to decision say, but something to be very much good for you, that you always have to be fluent in English for taking a challenge, because if you have the challenge then you can grow yourself very much. For how to you becoming to be take a challenge, I doesn't suggest you to becoming a YouTuber, become to be YouTuber, because in you going to YouTube channel you need lots of struggle for yourself and lots of time to becoming to be the grow in the YouTube and the social media platform. So that for growing the Italy, at least you have to need 10 to 12 sorry 1 to 2 years, so that you can becoming to be the good YouTuber. But coming to the point, that are you becoming to be the good YouTuber, and why you need to be becoming to be the YouTuber? I was just wanted to fluent my English communication and showcase something, that how I can know, because some of the YouTuber or many of the YouTuber who was